In ship construction, manually installing or pulling the electrical power cables through cableways is an expensive, labor-intensive, and injury-prone operation. The cable is very stiff, can be up to 3 inches in diameter, weigh up to 7 pounds per foot, and be up to 400 feet in length. Millions of feet of cable must be installed for each ship. Currently, the workers physically grasp the cable and move it a few inches at a time until it's routed into the desired position. Depending on the size, length, and cable routing path, it can take upwards of 25 workers to install a single cable. Most cableways are overhead with limited access, have numerous bends and elevation changes, and are often congested with pipes, ducts, and other nearby obstructions that further complicate cable installation. To address these issues, under a U.S. Navy project, easy-to-use, small, lightweight, portable tools have been developed to reduce the effort required to install electrical cables aboard Navy ships, with the goal of reducing cable installation labor and associated injuries. The project team developed a pneumatic dual roller tool and an electrical capstan tool that apply a controlled pulling force while installing the cable along the intended path. The dual roller tool utilizes 2 pneumatic gear motors with rollers integrated into a custom-built frame. The cable is clamped between 2 replaceable rubber rollers, which counter-rotate to move the cable. The speed and pulling force are controlled by a throttle valve, while a selector valve allows the tool to pull in either direction. The adjustable frame allows the roller spacing to adapt to different size cables and to apply clamping force to grip the cable. The frame transfers the pulling loads from rollers to anchor points at either end of the tool, where it is attached to ship structures using a chain or strap. Under load, the tool automatically aligns itself with the direction of the cable pull. The dual roller is compact in size, measuring approximately 14 inches by 8 inches by 7 inches, weighs 27 pounds, generates up to 450 pounds of cable pulling force, and can pull cable at speeds up to 8 feet per minute. The capstan tool consists of an electric motor, planetary gear reduction, and drum integrated into a custom-built frame. A rope is wrapped around the rotating drum by pulling on the free end of the rope. It grips the drum and pulls the cable. The pulling force and speed of the tool are controlled by varying the tension on the free end of the rope, which allows the rope to either grip or slip on the drum. The rope is attached to the cable using either a cable grip or by tying it to the cable. The frame transfers the pulling loads from the drum to the anchor point, where it is attached to ship structure using a chain or strap. Under load, the tool automatically aligns itself with the direction of the cable pull. When there is insufficient space to locate the capstan in line with the cable pulled direction, a sheave may be used so that the capstan can be mounted in a more convenient space. The capstan is approximately 15 inches by 10 inches by 5 inches, weighs 23 pounds, generates up to 2,000 pounds of pulling force, and can pull cable up to 10 feet per minute. An optional electronic load limiter is available that will override operation of the capstan at a certain pull force set by the user. While these tools can be used separately, they are most effective when used in tandem. Low-friction hardware can be temporarily placed in areas where high cable pulling resistance is expected to occur. The lead tool, which is typically the capstan, should be operated at a slow, steady speed. The pulling speed of those tools located prior to bends in the cableway should be so that slack is always maintained through the bends. Payout cable is manually provided to the first tool. Benefits of the mechanized cable pulling tools include labor savings as a result of pulling more cable per shift, reduced potential for injury, ability to pull a cable using fewer workers or when fewer workers are available, reduced worker fatigue, ability to pull cables longer distances with less need to break out the cable, improved ergonomics, and reduced time to install cable. McNally Industries, a leader in engineering and fabrication of products supporting the Department of Defense for over 75 years, has been established as the licensed manufacturer and provider for the mechanized cable pulling tools supporting new ship construction and ship repair needs.